Okay, so today we will discuss numerical predictor and corrector methods. So we have already solved Taylor's method, modified Euler's method, and also RK method, Runge-Kutta method of fourth order. So in these three methods, we have used the numerical methods to solve the ordinary differential equations. Here also, we are going to use numerical predictor and corrector method to solve the ordinary differential equations of first order and first degree. So we call this as predictor and corrector method. So why we are going to call it as a predictor and corrector method? First, we are going to predict the value by using predictor formula. So after we are going to evaluate and then we are going to correct the value. So that's what it is called it as a predictor and corrector method. So now we will start with this method. So in the numerical predictor and corrector methods, so here we have to find again a y value at a given value of x. So here we have a two predictor and corrector formulas, that is Milnes method and Adams-Bashforth method. So in our syllabus, this is the fourth method, Milnes method, and this is Adams-Bashforth method is the fifth method. But we call these two methods as a predictor and corrector methods. So the procedure of both the methods are same, only here the Milnes formula and Adams formula will be differs, but taking the initial value and given the initial values and the procedure almost it is similar, both are same. Okay, here also we are going to consider the initial. Here also we are going to consider the initial values, that is y dash is equal to dy by dx is equal to f of x comma y with set of four predetermined values of y. Here in the earlier methods like in Taylor's, modified and RK method, they have given only x naught y naught value, and if it is a step size they will mention, and the given differential equation we are going to solve the methods. But in this Milnes and Adams-Bashforth method, the important thing is they are going to provide a four set of values. This is y of x naught is equal to y naught, y of x1 is equal to y1, y of x2 is equal to y2, and y of x3 is equal to y3. So they will provide a four set of values, and corresponding to that x0, x1, x2, x3 are equally spaced values of x. So they will not mention h value, sometimes they will mention. If it is not mentioned, then how to find h value? By taking the common differences of x. That is, suppose x0 is 0, x1 is 0.1, x2 is 0.3, x3 is 0.4, then how to get the value? The common difference is 0.1. So h will take a common difference value. So now to apply Milnes and Adams-Bashforth method, we want a four set of initial values. By using four set of initial values, we are going to find the value. That is, we are going to find a value y4, or y of x4 is equal to y4 value we are going to find. So here I told that procedure is almost same for both the methods, only formula here different. So first we will see the Milnes predictor and corrector formula. So I told that here they will provide a four set of values, that is x0 y0, x1 y1, x2 y2 and x3 y3. That those are the four set of values. So we have to find a fifth value, that is y4 predictor. We call it as a first value, means we are going to predict the value, that we will represent it by y4 predictor is equal to the y4 predictor, we will write it as y4 of p. That is y4 predictor is equal to y0 plus 4h by 3 into 2y1 dash minus y2 dash plus 2y3 dash. This is predictor formula. After predicting the value, we are going to correct that value by using the corrector formula y4 corrector, or y4c is equal to y2 plus h by 3 into y2 dash plus 4y3 dash plus y4 dash. This is corrector formula. So Milnes predictor and corrector formula, y4 predictor and y4 corrector. If it is given a four set of values, then to find the fifth value, we are going to use y4 predictor and y4 corrector. So this is the common procedure we are going to use always. Sometimes in the exams, it was asked 2 to 3 times in the examination. Suppose if it is given a 5 set of values for a Milnes method. So here in the common procedure, I told that we require 4 initial values or 4 set of values I told. So this is common thing. We require 4 set of values. If we don't have 4 set of values, it's not possible to apply this method. So sometimes we may get 5 set of values, 6 set of values, 7 set of values, but in your syllabus, you have only for 4 set of values, or sometimes rarely we are going to ask it for 5 set of values. Suppose if it is given a 5 set of values, that is x0, y0, x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3, and also they will provide along with that x4, y4. So they will provide 5 set of values. If it is given a 5 set of values, then we are going to find y5 predictor and y5 corrector. So how to write this formula? Just increase by 1. You can check. Here what is that? Y4 predictor. Here it is y5 predictor. Just increase by 1. Y0 will be write it as y1. 4h by 3. Here also plus 4h by 3 into 2y1 dash. It is 2y2 dash minus y2 dash. We can write it as y3 dash plus 2y3 dash. Here plus 2y4 dash. Just increase by 1. If it is given a 6 set of value, just increase by 1. But for you people, it is only for 4 set or 5 set. Except that you are not going to get any questions here. And for y5 corrector, just increase by 1. y2 will be it as y3 plus h by 3 into y3 dash plus 4 into y4 dash plus y5 dash. If you know this formula, if it is asked for 5 set of value, just increase by 1, you are going to get a formula. So you can remember easily. No need of remembering this, just I have showed here. So if you know this, you can write for 5 set also. And we have a general formula for this, but I have not given here. It will be a confusion for you people. So if it is asked for 4 set or 5 set, if you know this formula, you can write it for any set of values. So we don't want any general formula here. So next method is Adams-Bashforth predictor and corrector formulae. So here also same thing. We are going to first predict the value, that is y4 predictor, and then we are going to correct the predicted value. So we have a formula here, y3 plus h by 24 into 55 y3 dash minus 59 y2 dash plus 37 y1 dash minus 9 y0 dash. How to remember this formula easily? So I will tell you. Just you remember 55 minus 59 plus 37 minus 9. If you remember these numbers, then those numbers should be multiplied with y3 dash, y2 dash, y1 dash and y0 dash. So you can just multiply from y3 dash to y0 dash if you remember 55 minus 59 plus 37 minus 9. So like that you can remember easily. That should be multiplied by h by 24 plus y3. And again in the corrector formula, y4 corrector is equal to y3 plus h by 24 into 9 y4 dash plus 19 y3 dash minus 5 y2 dash plus y1 dash. Here also how to remember the formula? Plus 9 plus 19 minus 5 plus 1. If you remember 9 plus 19 minus 5 plus 1, that should be multiplied with here y4 dash, y3 dash, y2 dash, y1 dash. Like that you can remember easily. Instead of remembering like this, you just remember the numbers and what you should have to multiply with that number. And that should be multiplied with h by 24 plus y3. So it is going to give y4 corrector. So we will find y4 predictor and y4 corrector in the Adams-Bashforth method. So I told in the beginning itself, to apply Milnes method and Adams-Bashforth method, we require 4 set of values. So the 4 set of starting values we require, and usually in common this Adams-Bashforth method and RK methods are most commonly used method. So like in aircraft dynamics simulation, they are going to you solve a complex problems, there they are going to use these 2 methods like predictor and corrector methods, or RK methods they are going to use. Because in the aircraft, they are going to use some variables like velocity, orientation angles, or aerodynamics angles, or angular rate. To find those values, they are going to use ordinary differential equations. To solve those ordinary differential equations, this predictor and corrector methods are very, very useful, because it is going to give some compatible values. Because first they will predict value and they can evaluate and they can correct the value. value. That's why these methods are very useful in aircraft dynamics, and also to solve some complex problems also we will use these methods, and also to solve the ordinary differential equations. Everywhere it is most useful methods. This RK and Adams-Bashforth method. These two methods are very commonly used methods. Okay, now we will solve few problems on this. Okay, before that, first all of you write the formula, Milne's predictor and corrector formula. All of you write this first. Adams-Bashforth I will give you later. First you write down the predictor, Y4 predictor and Y4 corrector formula. Everyone write down.